when everyone comes over to the restaurant, they love our shrimp Fra Diablo. And so people are like, how can I make that at home? It's really such an easy dish. We're just gonna start with a pan, hit it with some fresh olive oil, about 6 cloves of garlic, and some chili flakes. Chili flakes are gonna break open and really let their essence out, create a chili oil. It's gonna happen really quickly, so you're gonna go right in. I'm doing about 8 shrimp and about a half a dozen mussels. You wanna get that going in the olive oil. If you think it needs a little more olive oil, just give it a dash. You don't want your bottom of your pan to burn, so. Fra Diablo is fried like the devil, spicy, hot, and so some people put jalapenos in it. I myself, I like to put some pepperoncinis in it. So at the same time that I'm getting a little spice out of my peppers and my garlic, I'm getting just a little brine in there, and that's gonna really help the fish open up with their flavor. So getting that nice and hot. I hit it with a little wine. That's gonna deglaze the bottom of the pan. You're gonna get all that flavor coming in. Just wanna flip your shrimp. Now, as they start to rouge up, you'll know that your shrimp are cooking. You want to just make sure you're getting cooked on both sides. Your mussels, they're going to open up quickly, and so you want to make sure they absorb all that flavor that's in there. And so this is a quick dish. You can really do it in 3 minutes if you have everything set up. So I've got my fresh fettuccine. Just going to toss that fettuccine right in the water to give it some heat. As you can see, the shrimp are almost there. Now I'm going to hit it with some of our red sauce. You can use home red sauce, you can use a nice canned red sauce. That's really up to you and how much time you have to get dinner ready. So I'm gonna get just a little more fresh parsley in there, some salt and pepper. And I have some fresh conch. Conch is a seafood, coming from the conch shell, and it has a flavor like clams, and I'm just gonna give it a little bit of that broth. You can get that at any local Italian food store. And that's really going to give a nice, light, clammy, fishy flavor to it. So you can also put clams in it. That's completely up to the host. So we're coming back with our pasta, going right into the sauce. As you can see, such a fast dish to make at home. Getting all that rich flavor. Nice fresh toss. If you're not comfortable tossing, of course, use a spoon, toss it with a spoon, or a nice pair of tongs. Then our plate, we go right onto the platter. Again, you get all that rich seafood, really celebrating the holidays. Some more fresh herbs. I like to garnish it with some crostinis as well. And there you go, shrimp Fra Diablo fettuccine.